Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm just going to try to do one nail design. I'm going to try my first ever Nutcracker nail. Currently I have on this nail Yayoji's Skin Nude series, Skin Nude colors. And this is number 6. It's a nice little shade. And that's going to be the Nutcracker's little face if I get it right. And I have some of my AIMEILI colors. I have number 7 for the black. I have number 64 for the red. This is without top coat on it. I forgot to top coat it in. I'm thinking to give them some blue eyes with number 30. And some gold accents with number 16. So let me just carefully dare to try to do this. Putting some of my accent colors down on a little piece of extra form paper. Okay, first I want to give them a little hat. So 007. Like James Bond. Just give him a light little hat. I haven't marked anything out. I should probably have marked out my little plan. Like I said, I've never done this before. I just want to give it a shot. I believe the black will go over the red, so I'm going to try this just so I can get a taste for where his face will be. Clean up my overage. I probably should have cured that black since I liked it. Okay, I'm going to give this a cure. Okay, I've got a little bit of bald spot that my decoration's not going to cover. So I'm just going to give it another coat. I'm going to give this another cure before I lose it. Okay, we have the basic idea of a nutcracker going on. Where to start? I think I need to start with a little V for the neck. And get out a liner brush to try to do the outside of the line first. I may have had this too close to the lamp. Should be able to work with what I got. Come on, mark it. Everybody says to mark it. This would have been easier if I'd had a plastic palette, but oh well. Okay, this is 007 again. I'm going to give this a cure before I lose that pretty little triangle. Well, I got a number 2 gel brush. and added a little bit more black. It just wasn't working out. The ends were just too frayed. I'm gonna give this a cure. I'm gonna try to give him some eyebrows. Try. Cross your fingers. I left enough room to give him some facial features. Wasn't thinking this through very good. Like that one, I like that one, not that one. That's why we should be doing them one at a time. Just wiped it off. If I was smart, I would cure that now. But my luck, I won't be able to match this one up. That'll look good enough. Now, let's cure this. Okay, I'm gonna go for my first ever mustache. I think all these little nutcrackers have mustaches. It's gonna look a little weird without his eyeballs on here. I should have did eyeballs first. You know, maybe it would help me if I put his eyes in first, just because I can't see where his. Let's get some white out, blah blah blah. Get some white. Don't want it too thick, cause it will bubble. Kind of equal. Let me give this a cure. Are cured. I'm gonna put a little bit of the blue. My nutcracker's gonna have blue eyes. Like that. And give that a cure so I don't lose it as well. And I might skip the mustache till last. That way my placement might be a little bit better. Number 16 again. And I cured it. I've never tried this with a glitter gel. I'm not very good at it as it is. Let's try to give some color to this little guy. Give that a cure before I lose that. And what I forgot to do, I need that. I should probably just do a mouth. It'd be easier than a mustache, wouldn't it? A mouth would be a lot easier. Okay, a nice new little brush. Try not to get gel all over myself. I'm trying to give him a little mouth. I think that'd be better than a little mustache. got a big blob on here. These guys are kind of serious. Sometimes they're smiley. Ooh, we can give him a little lady's mouth. My guy's wearing lipstick. And the Nutcracker is wearing the lipstick. I like that. That's cute. It's a cutie little guy. Okay, let me give this a cure, and then I'm going to top coat and put some more decor on. I just figured he needs a little more sparkle, so I'm just going to get out some rhinestone gel. This is just rhinestone adhesive. I'm just going to try to, I think, put it around his little hat. This stuff does not move on you. Hopefully it won't move on me right now. Just, it seemed a little boring still. To nip, nip, nip. Very, very close. Before I put them away, let's make sure that I got long enough, not too short. Okay, that was about 5 seconds in my lamp. Lamps do vary, but every manufacturer. But a 48-watt lamp, about 5 minutes or 5 seconds. 5 minutes, yeah, right. What I should have did was top coat this to begin with. But oh well. I still have some stuff I want to put on here to make that metal stand out. So if you're doing your own nail, top coat it in first. Put a little top coat on my brush. Also helping get it back in the shape because I've been abusing them. Try to shape it back in the shape. We'll just pick it up with that. And some big beads up here. Probably should have used the gem adhesive on here as well, and then top coated it in. Get my brush back into shape. There it goes. Last second. Okay, let me give this a cure, a full cure. Okay, here's my first attempt at a Nutcracker nail. I need a lot of improvement, yeah. But it's even my first face, I believe. I don't remember ever making a face before. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Thank you, AIMEILI, for the gel samples. And have a great day, everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.